y'all! Today we're heading to Cheaha State Park in Delta, Alabama. Cheaha is known for being the highest point in Alabama, and driving up on Highway 281 there are some pretty amazing views. Most days you get a nice view. Today some clouds have rolled in, and so most of our drive up looked like this. We made it to the top and the clouds have really gotten thick, but we're here and we're going to check in. We are staying in their hotel for the first time tonight because this is just an overnighter for us because we're actually on our way up to Asheville, North Carolina for the week. We'll have more on that later. This is the office and registration area where you check in, and they also have a camp store and a gift shop in there that we'll come back to in a little bit. Right now, let's go check out our hotel room. So this is our view. Let's go see what our room looks like. There we go. Alright, so this is our room for the night. It's pet friendly. Has a little writing desk and looks like a king size bed. A couple of nightstands, a little refrigerator, microwave. Would have a view. Got hardwood floors, got a sink over there, simple bathroom. They give you some basic toiletry items in case you forgot anything, and then this is just another shot of the room. Next we walked down to the restaurant thinking that we would have dinner there, only to find out the restaurant has been indefinitely closed and is now their event center. So the restaurant is no more. It's now an event center. Normally this would be an amazing view. The clouds have rolled in. Since the restaurant was closed, we were looking for an option for dinner, and we thought we'd head down the mountain to pick up something in town, but it's just too cloudy, so we're going to go to the camp store and see what options they have. Cheeseburgers, spicy chicken, country fried steak, got a few biscuits, bean.
I got sausage. This one or this one?
Crab, like, and crab.
On it.
That's crazy.
I'm trying.
So you can see there weren't a whole lot of options for dinner here. We did get a chicken sandwich and some chips and snacks, and 10 out of 10, I do not recommend. It was nasty. Moving on. Even though it's cloudy, we're still at the top of Mount Cheaha, and we're only here for one night, so we are going to explore and try to show you guys some of the park. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that Cheaha is Alabama's tallest point, and the actual point is in the tower here at 2,407 feet. Another thing they're known for is Sasquatch. A lot of Sasquatch hunting goes on here, so if you come up, you've got to come over here and see Bigfoot. Cheaha is a very dog-friendly state park. They have a nice little bark park over here, and then across the street there's a playground for the kids. Continuing down Tower Road, this is the primitive camping area. They have 26 tent sites here, and they all have a picnic table, fire ring, and a grill, and then there are shared water spigots. This area has access to public restrooms, but there's not a bathhouse here. So if you want to use the shower amenities, you can purchase a shower pass down in the camp store, and that gives you access to the bathhouse located in the RV campground. So let's go check out the campground. They have two campgrounds here at Cheaha. This is the Upper Campground, the one that's up on the mountain, and then the lower campground is at the base of the mountain down by the lake. This one has the bathhouse that you would use if you're in the tent camping up here. They have 45 RV sites here and a few tent sites. They also allow tents on your RV site. All of the sites are full hookup with 20, 30, and 50 amp power, water, and sewer. All the sites have a picnic table, fire ring, and a grill. For those of y'all who, first of all, if you're still here taking this cloudy drive with us, thank you for sticking around. For those of you who don't have an RV but you'd like to stay up here and you don't want to use one of the tent sites, they do have cabins available here. It's a little difficult to get video of the cabins today because they're set off the road a good bit, so we're just going to try to throw in some pictures here to show you what some of the cabins look like. We made our way back to the hotel room and took that hideous 1980s comforter off the bed and got some sleep. We woke up the next morning and the skies had cleared enough for us to see a beautiful sunrise. Unfortunately, it didn't last long and the clouds rolled back in, but it's all good though because today we're heading to Asheville for the week. I can't wait to share all of those adventures with y'all. We appreciate y'all watching today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all in North Carolina.